Every town is unique, shaped by the people who live there. But for a town to truly thrive, it needs more than just roads and buildings. It needs careful planning to connect people, services, and the landscape. This is where placemaking comes in. It's about understanding the relationships between our communities and developments to create spaces that enhance prosperity, health, happiness, and well-being. Each part of a town is important on its own, but when we take a step back and see the bigger picture, we discover how these areas can connect to form strong, functional towns that best serve the people who live there. Placemaking happens in 3 key stages. Stage 1. Gathering information and data, understanding the town's unique needs. Stage 2. Listening to the community and stakeholders because their voices matter most. And Stage 3. Shaping the place. Creating a vision, setting priorities, and designing a framework for the future. With these plans in place, we can make sure that developments are made with long-term plans in mind, to keep moving forward towards a common goal that benefits everyone living there and the future of generations to come. Placemaking Flintshire, shaping the future of our communities. For more information, visit our website.